ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಕಂಕನಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲಾರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ನ್ಯೂರಾಲಜಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಪಿಲೆಪ್ಸಿ ಡೇಯನ್ನ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನ್ಯೂರೋ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ರೋಗ ತಜ್ಞರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಿಶಿರ್ ದುಪ್ಲೆ ಅವರು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಿರುವ ಮೂರ್ಛೆ ರೋಗದ ಕುರಿತು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಿದರು.
Epilepsy is not the end of anything, it just is a part of you. It's a disease process which is present in any individual, and with adequate treatment it can become under control. So that's the whole point of it. And just in brief, as Dr. Safan also told, worldwide there are around 60 to 70 million people with epilepsy, and women constitute at least half this number. Though there is no difference in the incidence between the men and the women, but still women with epilepsy is, which is very important topic which you need to know. In India only around 5.5 to 6 million people have epilepsy, and at least half of them are women, and in that around 1.3 million are basically in the reproductive age group. So we have such a large amount of population which is part of this entity, that's women with epilepsy.
ಅನಂತರ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಡೀನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಜಯಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಆಳ್ವ ಅವರು ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಎಪಿಲೆಪ್ಸಿ ಬಗೆಗೆ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕಾದ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಹೇಳಿದರು.
It's all alumni. The overall people have come forward. They have achieved many things, and today they are here to partake in this activity. More importantly, we have two important subjects that is being discussed: women and epilepsy, and the second one is status epilepticus, which I am sure will interest many people. I don't see a big crowd. I expected a much bigger crowd. Having said that, I think a very important two subjects that have been selected, and I am sure in the next few minutes that each of the speaker will be talking to us, we will know much more about these two aspects. I conclude by saying to the Department of Neurology, congratulations once again and continue the good work. And I think you need to take off in a much faster and a much better way in the long run.
ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ರಿಚರ್ಡ್ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಕೊಯ್ಲೋ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆ ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು.
10 million epileptic patients or persons affected in our country. That means it's a huge number. Very alarming number, but I do not know what are the causes, how to prevent and how to manage. As Doctor mentioned, a multidisciplinary approach is required to handle this situation, and we are glad that our own alumni are here today to enlighten our postgraduates and also to shed or to share more knowledge and management of this epilepsy, and especially the two topics are here. It is the first time that the Department of Neurology is organizing.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಅಜಿತ್ ಪಿ ಮಿನೇಜಸ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮತ್ತು ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ಆಡಳಿತಾಧಿಕಾರಿ ರೆವರೆಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ರುಡಾಲ್ಫ್ ರವಿದೇಸಾ, ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಚ್ಒಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಎಂ, ಒಬಿಜಿ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಎಚ್ಒಡಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ದೀಪಕ್ ಕನಗಾಲ್ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಶರಸಾಲ್ಯನ್, ವಿ4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.